Struggling to keep track of all your projects? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to organize the projects into folders. To get started, tap the Folder Manage icon. Here you can create, rename, or delete a folder. This folder cannot be deleted as it is the default folder. Let's add a new folder. To rearrange projects, tap the Project Management button. Use these arrows to move a project left or right. Tap here to send a project to another folder. To switch folders, tap here, then select another. When deleting a folder, all projects within that folder will be sent to the trash. To recover them, tap the trash icon, select the project, and choose which folder to restore it to. Now you're ready to organize your projects. Have any questions? Tap the question mark on the main screen, then contact support.